You may think I'm happy, you may think I'm sad, you may think I'm crazy, you may think I'm mad. But hold on to your seats and listen right here, I'm gonna tell you something that'll burn your ear. A hip hop, a hip hop hap, I'm giving you all the nitrogen cycle rap. Let's begin with some N2 taken up by a plant through its roots had nothing to do until suddenly it entered an animal when it ate some leaves. The leaves were digested and the N2 entered DNA. That was something new. Now the N2 was in a cell, lots to do in the nucleus, see? Coding for the body and didn't want to leave. Then all of a sudden 2 chromosomes crossed and it took a new leg which the other had lost. That, I tell you, was a puzzle to see. For that right there was prophase 1, see? A hip hop hap. Let's continue with the nitrogen cycle rap. In prophase 1, chromosomes cross over. In metaphase 1, they get connected at the center. In anaphase 1, they get pulled through the poles. In telophase 1, the cell severs. In prophase 2, the diploids move to the equator. In metaphase 2, there appear the spindle fibers. In anaphase 2, the centromeres are cleaved. In telophase 2, the cells are conceived. So now you may ask, what do they be? They are 4 haploid cells, it's different from the other 3. A hip hop hap. Let's see what happens next in the nitrogen cycle rap. Now we continue to the womb of a mammal womb. I'll let you guess how we got there if you don't want the detail. The 2 gametes combine, but as we all know, a single-celled baby simply just won't do. Those gametes each had half of their parents' genes, even if they were each slightly changed. The baby looks like both parents in subtle ways, it's quite apparent. When we begin prophase, chromosomes form. They move to the center where spindle fibers are. They move on to metaphase and spindles pull to the end of the poles. Now anaphase is when the centromeres are cleaved. They move to the poles and the haplo leave. The last part is telophase and that job must suck. It's when you have to clean up all that gook and stuff. The cells cleave in half. And now we see 2 identical cells. Let's take a moment to talk DNA. This codes for the body's polypeptides, eh? What you might ask, what the heck are those? If you give me a sec, I'll be thorough. DNA has 4 bases. They are nitrogen 2, adenine and thymine connect to each other, while cytosine and guanine pair of the other. I'm not sure if I said this, so I'll say it again. DNA carries information. Genetics, friend. DNA resides in the nucleus of the cell with a double helix structure straight out of, well, DNA gets unraveled by helicase. It copies each strand with polymerase. That replication in man is pretty neat, then it puts them together with the other half, see? That makes mRNA doesn't have a T. Transcription occurs at this time too. Free RNA nucleotide assembled, like the Avengers do. Nucleus is where this happens too. Translation is also protein synthesis, ribosomes attached to mRNA. They come with amino acids on tRNA. mRNA is the glucose and tRNA is the tubes. Set3 form the codons to attach to the tRNA. And they make the protein to the cytoplasm. Mistakes get made while copying it. The little baby mammal has 5 legs and no feet. As I'm sure you've guessed that it's really that neat. The codon was deleted and that was the cause, but the humans liked that it had 4 legs. Better for the barbecue is what they said. While the legs burned, the N2 flowed into the atmosphere. That's what I am, that's what I be, from the ground to the planet. DNA, hip hop hap. I'm giving you all